Hey everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So in this video, we are going to solve the next question, which is longest substring with exactly k unique characters. So what we are given in this question is you're given a string str and a number k, and we have to find the length of the longest substring that has exactly k unique characters. If no such substring exists, we have to print -1. Okay, let's just take this example only, and we'll see how to solve it. Okay, so this is the given example. We have k, which is equal to 2, right? Okay, and this is the given string, right? So what we'll do, as we have discussed in our previous question, we'll make a hash map of character versus integer type. What we are gonna do, we'll make two pointers, I here, j is here. Start incrementing our I, right? I came here. In our hash map, what we will have, so in our hash map, A will be for one time, right? Okay. So what we will have, A is for one time. It is not valid because we want two unique characters. So this is not the valid substring. So I continues to iterate and we have A as 2 now. Still not valid because there are no two unique characters. There is only one character which is repeating, right? I does its work. I starts incrementing and B came, B, which is for one time, right? So now we have A two times and B one time. This is valid because we have two unique characters. So we have AAB, which can be our potential answer. It may not be our answer, but it can be our potential answer, right? This is the potential answer. So next we have C, which came for one time, right? This is not valid because we all know we want two unique characters only, exactly two unique characters. There are three characters. So what we'll do, we'll start iterating our j. J came here, and what will j do? J will release the characters. It will fetch the character and will release the character from the hash map. So it released, and we have A as 1 now. Yeah. So we have A as 1. Still it is not valid in our hash map because we want two unique characters and there are three. So J does its work and J start incremented and it released A for one more time. So we have 0 now and we have the valid substring as BC. We will not update our potential answer because this cannot be our answer because this is not the longest one. So we'll continue with our I work and I incremented and we have in our hash map B as 2. Okay, so B as 2. Now we have the BBC, BCB, right? This is not the longest, so we'll not update. So increment our I, we have C as 2, right? So now we have BC, and it may be our potential answer. So we'll cut this BC is the longest one, then AAB. So we have removed this answer and we have put this in our potential answer, right? Next, D came and we'll have D as 1 in our hash map. Now this is not valid, of course, because we have three unique characters. So we'll start incrementing our J. J come to B, it will release B for one time. Still it is not valid. J increments, release C. Still it is not valid. B increments, J increments and will release B. Now it is valid. Still we did not get our answer because CD has length 2, which is not greater than our potential answer, right? Next we come to B. So B will be 1 now, right? Okay. So next, this is not valid. So what we will do, we'll increment our j. So it will be 0 now. And we have db as the answer still. It cannot be our potential answer because the length of db is small than bc. So what we have next, we have c as 1 again. This cannot be our, this is not valid because we have 3 unique characters. Let's just release d now. So d released and we have 0. bc cannot be our answer because it is not the longest one. Next, a came. A is 1 now. This is not valid because we have 3 unique characters now. Increment the j and release b now. So we'll have ca. ca is not our valid answer, potential answer, because the length of bc is greater than ca. So we got our answer. We'll return the length of this answer, which is equal to 4. This is what is asked in the question. The output is 4. So let's just code this question. Okay. So let's make those pointers int I equals to -1, int j equals to -1, and we'll make answer which is equals to 0. Next, we'll make string dot length. We'll make a map of cal versus int. Give it a name as mp. While our I is less than n-1, this is the first check, and the second check would be for the I iterator. It will go on till I less than n-1 times, and increment I every time, put it in the map, and increment the count every time. Next, we'll see if map dot size is equals to k. Then we'll update our answer to the max of answer comma I comma my answer comma I minus j. Right? Okay. I minus j is the length, of course. Next, what we would do, the next check would be else if map dot size is greater than k. If it is greater than k, then we would break, of course. Okay. Next, we'll start iterating our j loop while j is less than I. The first thing would be j plus plus. If our map of string of j equals to 1, right? Then we'll erase the value, erase string of j. Okay. And else what we will do, we will decrease the value. Map of string of j minus minus. Okay. Next check would be if our map dot size is equal to 2, is equal to k, right? Then we will break and we will return answer at last. Let's just run this code and see if it's correct or not. Output is 4. Let's just submit this. Okay, so all test cases passed. Let's just take this code and try run it for one time, so that could be more clear to you, right? Okay. Okay, so what do we have? We have I here, j here, right? Start iterating in this loop, increment the I, put the value in the map a as 1, right? Next, we'll see if the size is equal to k. No, it's not. It's greater than k. No, it's not. Then we'll break. We came here again and we'll increment. A is equal to 2 now. Okay. So now is not equal to k still. Is greater than k. No, it's not. Then we'll come here again and we'll iterate. So we have b as 1 now. What we will do? We have size equal to k. Now our answer would be max of 0 comma this 0 comma I minus j, which is 3. Max of 0 comma 3 is 3, right? So we have answer updated as 3. Okay. Now next, start iterating again. We have c equal to 1. Now what we will do is greater than k, we'll break and we'll come here. So what we have, increment the j. So j incremented, and now what we will do, if map.size is equal to 1, no it's not, we will erase. So we'll erase this. Let's just erase c equal to 1. And what we will do now, we'll see, no, we'll c was equal to 1. Our j is here, right? So our j is here. What we will do is equal to 1. No, it's not. We'll come to the else part. Decrease the value. So decrease the value of a. It would be 1 again. So now we'll see if map.size is equal to 1, is equal to k. No, it's not. We'll break and we'll come here again. Start incrementing j again. Now we have equal to 1. Erase the value of a. So we have erased a now. Now we'll see which is equal to k. We'll break and we'll come here. Right? We'll see BC is not greater than 3. So of course we'll start iterating our I again. We'll have B as 2 now. Of course. Then we'll come here and we'll see if map.size is equal to k. We'll update our answer. Answer will be equals to 0 comma 2. It would be 3 right now. 3 comma 3 is 3 only. So it is still 3. Okay. Next we'll break and we'll have C again. So we have 2 now. We'll see if map.size is equal to k. Yes, it is. What we'll do, we'll see in our answer 3 comma, it would be length is 4 now. So the max is 4. So we got the answer updated as 4 now. Okay. Next, D came, D as 1. Now it's greater than k, we'll break. We come to the J loop. What we'll do, increment the J, release B, MP dot release B for 1 time. Okay, we have 1 here. Next, what we will do, it is still greater than this. Then we'll increment J for 1 more time. What we are gonna do, decrease C, of course. Then we increment for 1 more time, erase B. Now B is erased. Now we'll see map.size equal to. Then what we'll do, our answer is 2 comma 4. It would be maximum of 2 comma 4 is 4 only. Next, start iterating our I. We have B as 1 again. Now it is invalid. Come to the J part. Increase our J. Erase the C part. C is erased now. Answer would be 2 comma 4. Maximum of 2 comma 4 is always 4. So then, of course, increment I for one more time. C came for 1. Okay, this became invalid. J incremented. What will it do? It came to D now. It will erase D now. D is erased. After this, it will check map.size is equal to 2. Yes, it is. Then what will it do? It will see answer is equal to max of 2 comma 4, which is 4 only. So answer is 4 right now. Next, what we are gonna do? We'll update A equals to 1. It is invalid. Increase J. B is erased now. We have AC. AC can't be our answer. So then of course then release C and release A. We got our answer as 4. Return this answer. So I hope I was clear with the concept, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.